Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make YouTube thumbnail. So there are a lot of tools where you can create a YouTube thumbnail like this one, but for this tutorial I strongly suggest to use Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. All you have to do is to create your account right here, and I strongly suggest to upgrade your plan because there are tons of features that you can use once you have upgraded your plan into Pro. But if you don't upgrade your plan, it's okay. Once you have your Canva, then what you're going to do is go to create a design, and then here on the search bar you have to look for thumbnail, or let's just say YouTube thumbnail. You will see here different templates for thumbnail, and what you're going to do is you have to tap or select a YouTube thumbnail. So you have to click this one right here. It will take you directly to this page where you can see a blank page. On the left side, you will see here design, elements, and so on. Tap on design and look for the specific design that you want to use for your thumbnail. So let's just say you're going to use the thumbnail like this one. Let's just say your video is all about how to create a YouTube account. So here you can delete unnecessary element or object by pressing delete, and then change this or replace this with the word that you want to use. For example, how to create a Facebook account. So Canva has a user-friendly interface. All you have to do is to tap. If you want to add some effects or change the size, change the font color, and change the background color, everything is on the upper section. So as you can see, if I'm going to change the effect right here to lift, I can do that. Just click the word and then tap on add effects or effects, and then tap from any of this option here. Okay, now if you want to replace the picture, you can upload the picture or go to the elements and then search for something like Facebook. Okay, so you can choose from graphics. You can also choose from photos. So for this time, I will choose from photos. If I can see any Facebook here, then I can upload. So all you have to do is to drag that specific picture. But since this one is graphic, so I cannot place this to the frame. So let me go to photos, and then I'm going to look for a specific Facebook related picture to drag it to the frame. And I like this one. So everything is up to you. If you have your own picture, like what I've mentioned, you can tap on upload and then replace the picture. Now go to elements again, go to graphics, and you can add any object here. Okay, delete unnecessary objects and elements and change the background color. Everything is up to you. But for simple thumbnail, then this is what the method is. You can use Canva, but actually I know that you can do better than this. So you can search for other templates and designs if you want. But again, I strongly suggest Canva for making a YouTube thumbnail or even banner. So basically that's it. Once done, then you can tap on the share icon and then download this. And that's how easy it is to make YouTube thumbnail. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.